Proteus and Babybird, written by Mountain Marvel, illustrated by Nelson. Once upon a time, there was a lovable, playful, global yellow boy named Proteus the Great. As I can imagine him living behind his yellow house that signed his name Proteus, and he lived under it. And one day, his big sister named Coco gave him a basket of goodies.
Now, Proteus the Great, my little friend, I want you to take this basket of goodies to Akaku's house.
As you can see, they're all yellow goodies.
Bananas, grapefruits, and my homemade lemon pie. Would you like a taste?
Okay, says Proteus.
Wow!
This tastes sour on the outside, but sweet on the inside, said Proteus.
Just the way Aku likes it.
Well, if you say so, replied Proteus.
Now remember, go straight to Aku's house and watch out for Sallyforth. He could be around here, 'cause he's up to something.
Don't worry, I'll be careful. Bye-bye, Coco, he said.
Bye-bye, Proteus.
As he set off. As Proteus walked along, he suddenly saw something hiding from the tree. A baby bird came out of the tree. Proteus never seen a baby bird so friendly. So, Proteus and baby bird play tag, going on a high-flying adventure. Teaching Proteus how to fly. Making Babybird laugh by tickling his feet. And having a nice time together. And so Proteus and Babybird went skipping through the forest until they saw an evil, nasty-looking villain named Sallyforth. Hello, Proteus, the horrible yellow boy. And where are you going today? Oh, I'm taking these goodies to Akaku's house, he said to Sally. Goodies? Oh man, I love goodies. They're so good. Very good. May I see them, please? Pretty please? Actually, no. No, he said crossly. These goodies are for Aku, and you know I'm not supposed to cause any more shenanigans and any more mischiefs. So goodbye and good riddance. Ah? I've got to get those goodies. And I think I know just how to do it. Whee! And so, Sally has an evil plan, so he decides to take a shortcut to Aku Aku's house, where Smiley is. Who got there first? He knocked on the door and said, "Oh, you do. Oh, you. Aku Aku." Oh, look, Smiley. Isn't that Proteus the Great? Who's in the door? Oh, that's Proteus to me. Oh, dang it. Whatever. Why don't you just come in, please? Ah, ha! Boo! Psh! Ah! Oh, no! Oh, dear! When poor Aku Aku and poor Smiley saw Sally Forth coming into the room and shooting laser blasters, they were so scared that they jumped out of bed and ran right out the door. But then it was too late. Oh yeah, help! Whoa, pretty fast for Aku Aku, so much for that. Now I can dress up like Aku Aku, get those goodies. And when I do, I'll scare Proteus and kill him to death. And when I do, I'll take over the world. And then the world will be mine. And I will rule the world for doom. The world will be doomed forever. I'll be rich. Think you can stop me, Proteus, you gullible yellow boy? Meanwhile, as soon Proteus the Great and also his little bird friend, Baby Bird, arrived at Aku Aku's house and knocked on the door. Aku Aku. It's me, Proteus, he called from above, and I have goodies for you. But Baby Bird didn't waited too long enough when a funny feeling began to creep all over him. It began the tip of his nose, and the tip of his beak, of course, and trickle all the way down at the end of Baby Bird's wiggly toes, which is that Baby Bird can feel his toes wiggling. And then he said, "Time for a little something." And so, Baby Bird did had a little something. And he had a little more. And he had a little more. And he had a little more. Come in. Oh dear. Why, Aku Aku, you don't look so good, he said, acting a bit strangely. Whatever do you mean, dear? Well, for one thing, you're all purple and so strange, he said. And also, Aku, what big eyes do you have? The better to see you with, my dear. And what big ears do you have? The better to hear you. And what big teeth you have? Cried Proteus scaredly. The better to eat you with. Now that you mention it, well, to be sure, not to be rude, would you rather have a nice piece of pie? Said Proteus kindly. Pie? Well, if you say so. So Sally ate a slice of lemon pie. And guessed what? Wow! This tastes disgustingly sour! Yuck! Aren't you gonna eat me now? Said Proteus laughingly at him. Very funny. Well, I can't eat or destroy anything to take over the world now. I need a glass of water. Well, that will soon serve him right and teach him a lesson by running out the door, and now he was never seen again. And when Aku and Smiley came back home, Aku, Smiley! Shouted Proteus to them. Why, Proteus, you saved us. And you've defeated Sally by stopping him and saved the day and saved our lives. Proteus, you are a hero. A very good hero in need. All in a day's work and all thanks to your little friend, Baby Bird. So, here. Would you like a banana? Have a banana. If you don't mind. Oh, why thank you, Aku, said Proteus happily. And they all lived happily ever after. Farewell, Proteus the Great, forever. The end.
Hello! Don't forget to show all of your logos of Proteus the Great, just to find out when we add some clips, or you can watch an episode, especially for your favorite memory, by subscribing for free